Your choice for maintenance and repair parts should be ACDelco. Named the aftermarket brand professionals trust most. Because ACDelco true General Motors original equipment parts are the same maintenance and repair parts installed during production of a GM vehicle. Our innovations are born from heritage. And today, ACDelco parts appear in more than 2 million GM vehicles produced each year. But we offer more than just our GM DNA. We stand proudly on depth, reputation, confidence, reach, and support. The full ACDelco roster of more than 90,000 parts includes GM OE, Professional, Advantage, and other parts across nearly 40 product lines. Available online and at more than 27,000 U.S. locations. We back what we put on the road with our limited parts warranties, and we back our partners with technician training, marketing support, and e-commerce solutions. So when it comes to GM, it should be ACDelco, the true GM original equipment parts brand that's more than the sum of its parts. Join us in working to invent a new century of automotive advancement. ACDelco. Be certain.